Hey guys, it's Tanaya. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, what's up? I am going to be doing a video on how I am going to take down these butterfly locks. So I already took down one of them. I got my natural hair sticking out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to take these out. Let's just start with one on the side here. So basically I braided my real hair in with some Cuban twist hair. So it's not like I can just go and slide and find my braid and pull it out. My hair is braided in to kinky braiding hair texture. So I have to unravel this. So what I'm doing is I'm just gonna twist it the opposite way. As you can see, like I had to add another piece at the bottom. So this extra piece is like easy to distinguish, and I'm just kind of unwrapping it around. Some of the pieces I didn't have to add an extra piece. I think I didn't have to add an extra one to this. I don't know. So this is the extra piece I added for length. So now I found the other piece, so I'm just gonna unwrap it. Because some people, I saw tutorials where, you know, you could just pull it down at the root and find your braid and pull your braid out. But for me, I don't really think I can do that method. So I have to do the longer way and just unwrap it around. Okay, I feel my braid. Alright, so I had a little tingle, but once you get to the part where you completely unwrapped it, because this is the braiding hair that I used, that I braided in my real hair with, you should be able to just pull the hair out. But this one is like a little like tangled in. So you see how it just should slide right out? Hold on. Okay, that slid right out. Oh, it looks like it's caught in the middle, but that's okay. You also should grab a pair of scissors. This is my first time doing this hairstyle, and this is my first time taking it out. And it's actually not that bad. It's just gonna be a little tedious because I did mine so, like, you know, they're butterfly and they're like sloppy. So now I have to take down the braid to free my real hair. Okay, so now my real hair is free. So I'm gonna do that again, and I'm gonna do a close-up for you guys to see. Now this bottom one is already coming loose, so I'm just gonna unwrap that and I'm gonna show you guys. Okay guys, I am like just about done taking these out. I have 2 left. Now it's gonna take you about a good hour, you know, to take these out. Would I do this hairstyle again? Maybe not. This type of hairstyle, just taking it out alone, really makes me miss box braids and how easy it is to install box braids and take them down, and how I'm not feeling like I'm tugging at my hair. Because the fact that my real hair is braided into this hair is making it harder for me to take it out. Because there are other methods on YouTube where it's easier, but for me, it's just a little more challenging, because since these are like butterfly locks and I was just throwing it over and putting my thumb in between the hair, it's not like it's just wrapped in this perfect little way around my hair and the braiding here. So sometimes you may have to pull a little bit, tug a little bit, whatever, just to get it out. So that's why you see me like pulling sometimes to get the twist fully unraveled. But I did off camera, like when I was like way at the bottom, I did cut some of it, like if it got too much, just at the bottom only, because I know that my real hair isn't all the way at the ends like that. And that did make it easier, but what I would suggest is just don't use scissors at all. Just go slow and take your time and unravel this, because it does come out. Is it the easiest thing to do in the world? I mean, taking out box braids and taking out like regular 2-strand twists are a lot easier. But you know, taking this out is doable. 100% it's doable. It just takes some time and some patience, that's all. And you'll be able to get through it. But I just thought it was kind of good to come on here and show you guys the real about taking this out, and somebody who, you know, it may not go that easy for, or may not seem as simple, but it's overall, it's not terrible. It's just gonna take you a little bit of time. So about an hour, like I said. And you know, the hair can tangle within itself, so it's not gonna be like taking out box braids or so. Like that is super easy because the hair stays uniform. This hair is not uniform. So a situation like this, right? If I feel like unraveling it, I would just cut it a little bit. So it took away that big bulky knot, and then I pull on it a little bit and I find the end, and then I start to, you know, unravel it. Try to get this together. There were times I was just like, oh, you just want to pull it out because it's hair is free. Oh my gosh. Oh, so glad I took that out. If I did the hairstyle again, what I would do is I would do smaller parts, and I would probably not add braiding hair to my hair and just do my own plaits with my real hair. And I probably would make it a little neater. I probably wouldn't really do the butterfly method like that much. I probably would just, you know, wrap it around, like, I don't know, maybe 1 or 2 little loops, nothing crazy. But I wouldn't do it like on a jumbo scale. I would do it like skinnier, a little more neater, and I would do just a 1B color. I do really like the color though. Like, this is one raggedy piece, but I do really like this color. I think this color would be super pretty in box braids, but I gotta find it where it's more of a 1B at the top, like straight 1B, and then ombre into this. I would do some like jumbo box braids with this hair color more towards the bottom. Like, I do like this color though. But that was just a quick little takedown video of the butterfly locks. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up. If you have other methods that work comment down below. There are a few other videos out on YouTube if you want to watch other methods of how to take these out. But yes, you can take these out. I need to wash my hair, I need to trim my hair, but don't worry, I will be doing a tutorial on how I wash my hair and how I trim it, how I grew my natural hair from scratch from being relaxed. I got all those good things coming for you guys, so make sure you subscribe to my channel and I'll see you next time. Bye.